how to use your fusion tokens in Raid Shadow Legends. So it's mainly going to be found or used here directly in your portal. Go ahead into Fusion. We currently don't have any fusion tokens to put as an example, but if we did have any, we probably won't be doing an example since fusion tokens are somewhat a little pricey or rare to get. But if you want to use your fusion tokens, it's mainly on the first character or the first option you have. So you can see there's 5 options over here. You have Lady Mikaj, Relic Keeper, Razin, Broadmar, and the Lion. But that is depending on the timeline of your server. It could change, but on the first one, it's typically the first one, you'll see this change champion option. So from here, you could change the champion on who you want to fuse into, and it is going to depend on what tier you want to change. So for the tier 1 available heroes, it's going to cost 3 fusion tokens. So you just go ahead and choose whichever character and just choose change. For tier 2, it's going to cost 2 fusion tokens, and of course tier 3 with a single fusion token. Just go ahead and choose whichever, and it will take up your fusion tokens, and then you can switch to the new character. You'll see which characters you need to fuse into that main character, and that's pretty much the main place or section you can use fusion tokens in Raid Shadow Legends. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.